Hey everybody, how you doing? This is KVUSMC, or Kenneth W Viar Jr. And today we got my daughter and her friend Kinsley, the student of the year from Matoka Middle School, and her best friend Emmy. And they're videotaping me. And we went down the list of the comments of subscribers, and we picked them fair and square, 1 through 11. I had one good friend of mine, lives in British Columbia, but I put on there on the rules it's supposed to be U.S. mailing address. So sorry about that, buddy, up in British Columbia. Well, howdy guay. You know how you are about, I wish I could send it to you, or if you had a U.S. mailing address, I'd send it to you. But the winner is, who was it, Kinsley and Emmy?
Browerpower 2010.
Browerpower 2010 is the winner. So Browerpower 2010, thank y'all all for watching the video and everything. I need your address, and I'll send the address to Super Clean, and we'll get your package out to you. Your goodies. If you want a hat and t-shirt, tell them what size you want, all that good stuff, and you'll be good to go. Well, thank y'all for watching the video. And Super Clean, that's some great stuff, right? Like this, for example, is Super Clean. Dissolve, grease, super easy, super fast, tough task cleaner, and it's biodegradable, so it's good for the environment. And you got the floor absorbent in case you spill oil or any kind of liquid that you want to get up off your floor or the ground or whichever. And this is some cool stuff here. This is an all-wheel cleaner. Foams away grime and brake dust. So I mean, you can put that on the aluminum rims and bam, they're clean. Don't have to touch them or nothing. The bubbles just foaming cleansing. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Again, thank y'all again. I want to say God bless and simplify, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for some more updates. And thank you, Super Clean, for letting me do this video on the giveaway. And y'all have a good one. Thank y'all for watching. God bless. Hoorah.